Hi, I'm Blair. I respect your time, so I'm going to try to get to this as quick as possible. I found a potential fix for my printer's input shaper graph. On the left is what it came from the factory. Absolutely horrible. Clearly there's an issue. On the right is what it looked like after I removed these two springs that pushes on the bushing in the tool head. I don't know why they're there. Take them out at your own risk. It could damage your printer. I don't know. Do things at your own risk. I'm just some random guy on the internet. But this is what helped me, so I'm sharing the information. I don't know why those springs are there. I'm assuming they're to make up for production tolerance, slack, and variation to avoid quality control issues. That's my best working theory. If you have an idea, let me know in the comments. That'd be great. But yeah, all I did was take these two screws out, and it went from the graph on the left to the graph on the right, which is insane. The graph on the right is perfect. But to get these two springs out, you take the tool head cover off, the fan cover. It's two screws, two hex head screws, and one plug for the fan. And it's up there, that bar right there, that black piece of plastic at the top, the two hex heads in it. You just take those two screws, two hex heads out, and then pull the springs out. You'll see it right there. The springs are right there. You pull them out. Maybe even put weaker springs. I don't know. I didn't. This is what helped me. Is it going to help you? I don't know. I also cleaned the X-rods with a coffee filter and rubbing alcohol. Don't use the grease that came with it because those graphite bushings don't use grease. Also, friendly tip, if you have a magnet, keep it near your printer so you can put your screws on it when you're working on it so you don't lose them because they can go everywhere. Trust me, I know from personal experience. But if you found this helpful, consider subscribing. Or don't. You're an adult. Do what you want. I appreciate it. You know what to do. This is YouTube. I'm sure you've been here before. Not here, per se, but on YouTube. You know how it works. I appreciate you. If you have any ideas why those springs are there, let me know. I'm all ears. If you think I'm an idiot, let me know. Again, I'm all ears. So I appreciate you spending the time watching this, and I hope you have a good one. Hopefully this fixes your printer. If it doesn't, let me know too. Cheers.